Welcome to the Academy! Let's practice our healthy habits. You can be a superhero too. Let's brush our teeth. Brush your teeth every day. Let's brush our teeth every day.
Let's brush our teeth.
Brush your teeth for a super smile. Brush our big bright teeth.
Brush your teeth every day.
Let's brush our big white teeth. Let's wash our hands and brush our teeth. Let's learn to wash our hands.
Scrub, scrub, scrub with lots of bubbles. Bubbles make us super clean. Now we are ready to save the day.
Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9, 10. Let's wash our monster paws. Let's wash our hands. Let's wash our hands.
Always look both ways.
Let's be kind to our friends.
It's nice to share.
I feel so happy. Always look both ways when you cross the street. Sharing makes us all super friends. Eating healthy gives us super strength. Always wait for the green light. Sharing makes us super friends. You are a superhero. Always hold hands to cross the street. Let's clean up our classroom together. Great job, superheroes. Helping friends is super. Woohoo! Always look both ways. It's nice to share. And go to sleep on time. Being kind makes us super friends. Always look both ways to play safe.
Eat your fruits and veggies.
I can't build it. Let's do it together. Sharing is caring. 20.
Always look both ways.
It is nice to share. Eat your fruit and greens. Angry? Being kind and sharing down. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. Wow, thank you! Helping our friends is a true superpower. Keeping clean makes us strong and ready to save the day. Great heroes always wash their hands. Eating healthy makes us super strong. Being kind is the best superpower of all. You earned a golden star. Being kind and sharing makes us super friends. Let's share our happy feelings with everyone. Being kind and sharing makes us super friends. Eat your healthy greens to grow up strong. You are all Academy superheroes. Stop and look before you cross the street. Don't touch hot things that can burn. Clean up the toys and put them away. Now it's time for bed. Sleep tight, heroes. Welcome to the Monster Cafe. Let's choose some healthy food to eat. Apples, carrots, bananas, and milk make us strong. Sad, angry, scared, we have many feelings. It is important to say sorry.